Nobody ever talks about Amazon Fire Phone. That was a complete flop, right? The year that they made it to replace all cell phones, they couldn't sell it for 99 cents. They had to write off a $170 million loss. Wow, embarrassing, right? Nobody ever talks about Amazon Destinations, which was their booking website for hotel and air travel. This is Amazon Wallet, shut down in 6 months. This is Amazon Cloud Player, it shut down. This is Amazon Test Drive, shut down. Amazon Web Pay, shut down. So when I see this guy, I think, man, what a loser, right? No, he is the world's second richest person. He is not a genius who only employs geniuses. More than any other organization on Earth, Amazon has systematized how to find zombies and hunt them. I'm sure that as I was going through all those examples, you were thinking that one must have made money. Yeah, all of them made money. Jeff Bezos introduces an idea to us that most people don't usually use, which is, can you say no to things that are good but not good enough? If we can identify them on our schedule and say no to them, man, think about what we get to focus our time doing.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.